In this video, we're going to talk about the area of a circle. Now, the formula for area of a circle is equal to pi times radius squared. What that means is we're going to take the value for pi times the radius times the radius. It is not radius times 2, which some people think. That area is pi times 2 times radius. That is not the radius of the area of a circle. That is actually circumference, so we're not going to use that. All right, let's look at what we're given in this example. We're given an example where the radius is equal to 5 inches, so we're going to find the area of this circle. So we're going to come back to our formula and we're going to plug in what we know. And in this case, we're going to use the estimate for pi is 3.14. So we plug in what we know. Pi is 3.14. The radius is 5 and then 5 again. So it's r times r. And when I do the math out, 3.14 times 25. And I do the math out, and I'm actually going to put an about symbol because remember when we find circumference or area of a circle, it's an estimate. So it's 78.5 and my units of measure are inches squared. In this example, now we're given a circle and instead of radius, we're given diameter. And if we look at the formula for area, I need to have radius. So the first thing I have to do is calculate what the radius is. So I know radius is the diameter divided by 2. And in this case, my diameter is 15 meters. And when I divide that by 2, I get the radius is 7.5 meters. So when I calculate my area of the circle, I'm going to take pi times the radius times the radius. Pi, again, we're going to estimate it and use 3.14 times 7.5 times 7.5. And when I do all the math out, I get an answer that's approximately 176.625 meters squared. And I'm going to round that to the nearest tenth, so I'm going to say 176.6 meters squared. And that is my area.